Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday, February the 28th, 2024. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars puzzle and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two puzzles left, the 4 stars tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested, boys and girls, the binary puzzle number 8095. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 17 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Now the double O's. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes no. Between the ones comes no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the O's comes in 1. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here in the last column, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And between two O's comes a 1. Finish in 2 minutes. Well, without comparing. And I like this one, yes I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.